Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Proton Mail Guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix Proton Mail import email failed issues. If you're trying to import emails from Gmail, Outlook, or another email provider, and the process keeps failing, here are some quick fixes you can try. First, make sure you're using the correct login credentials for the account you're importing from. An incorrect email address or password can stop the import process immediately. Next, verify that the source email account is accessible. Try signing in directly to confirm the account is working properly. If the account uses two-factor authentication, you may need to create an app password or complete additional verification steps before importing emails. Pay attention to any error messages shown during the import process. These messages often provide useful information about what's causing the failure. If the issue continues, perform a small test import with just a few emails to determine whether the problem affects all messages or only specific folders. Finally, contact Proton Mail support if none of these solutions work, and provide the error message along with details about the source email provider. And that's how to fix Proton Mail import email failed issues. With the correct account settings, enough storage space, and a stable connection, most import problems can be resolved quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.